Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. As you can see, I've just come in from work and it's revisiting the Abus TITALIUM 83AL/40. It's a series 2. There's a couple of different stamp marks on there, you're probably not going to see that. And as you can see, it's one of the locks that were given to me by kind Stephen, my friend on YouTube, aka SSM0379. It was in the care package and I picked it open quite quickly, which threw me because I'm absolutely rubbish at Abus locks. The keys that were with it, there was a blank, and this one in theory, which would sort of should be the working key, because it's up, down, here, there and everywhere type thing, up and down, etc. And after picking the lock, they had blue shrink wrap on there. I thought Stephen might have done that, or Abus, I'm not sure, but when I put the key in the lock it would not work at all, which again threw me in the video. So after the video I picked it again, gutted it. The driver pins I've kept obviously in the same order, and it was spool, serrated, spool and spool, but the key pins were in a completely different order. Offering them up to the key, when I put the key in the plug, they were up and down, so there was no way that key would turn the plug, so I had to mix them round a little bit. A couple of them were still protruding a little bit too high, so I put a couple of mine in and it works perfectly now. I loved the lock to start with and love it even more now I've played with it and got it in full working order. Now I've just opened that with a key. That will turn round more, but when I turn that, that shackle will fly out, so I'll turn it that way because I'll have ball bearings and a spring come out. As you can see, turning that releases the shackle, so you can either put another long one in or a shorter one. Pop it back in, it's locked up. So like I say, I don't know if my friend Stephen mixed about with the key pins in there or whether it's Abus. So thank you again my friend for the lock, it's been fun. I'm going to use the same tension wrench, but I'm using a different hook. This is one of sort of my custom hooks. Start at the front, work to the back. The feedback isn't as good this time, but once I get a little false set I can nip over a couple of binding pins and get her open. Again, the front there, it says 300 patented. So I'll start at the front, and again I'm adjusting the tension slightly. I'll show photographs as well of sort of the pins in the order they were in when I gutted it. It's moved over nicely. Counter rotation should pick it, and there you go. I didn't want to pull that too far, I'd have ended up with a ball bearing and a spring there on my picks. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again please keep it legal.